Yan ang ano guys. Tiger, yan. Natutulog siya. Natutulog siya dyan sa taas. Yan. At yun ang kanyang tulugan. Yan o. Ito ang tirahan ng Himalayan tar. Yan. Yan o. Nauna na yung tatlo. Andito pala yung rides. Yan o. That's where the rides are. Yan. There's a Ferris wheel. There's a boat. Yeah. Ano yan, bupal? Anong tawag dyan? Laki. Ang parang nakapalda. Ano tama raw? Yak. Yak. Ano yung yak? Coat made of real wool. Ah. Yan. Uy. Yan. Ay, making ano. Yan o, ang laki nga o. Parang nakapalda. Yeah. Ang laki niya o. Parang nakapalda. Ano?
They took the wall.
Yun naman yung mga ano. Sheep. Sheep ba yan? O goat? Yan. Siyang tumutunog ng mi. Okay, let's go. So what did you see there? It's just the same. Huh?
Dapat paliguan ang mga yan.
Paliguan mo.
You should spray them with water. Bat them. You have to bat them. So, let's go to see the Carabao.
Ooh.
Why is there tables here? People will eat here?
Yeah. But it smells.
It smells.
It smells. So there it is. Alpaca. That one. There. 55 to 70 kilograms.
No.
South America. That's the animal in South America.
Alpaca.
Yeah. There they are. I love monkeys.
Yeah.
Yan pala yan. Oh. Sana yun? Oh,
It's moving.
tumakas. Ano ko na kanina. Red crown crane pala yun.
Yan o.
Yan ang train. Oh. Lumampas na yung train. Yan oh. Yung rides ng train. Yan. Sa taas.
But in the Philippines, we have it.
They don't have tail?
We don't have tail. In the Philippines, they have tails.
Why they don't have tail?
Yeah, these are Japanese.
Japanese macaque.
If you want to demand, okay?
Ay, kumakain siya. Pula ang ano niya, yung skin.
Untot, ano?
So, tingnan natin kung makakita tayo ng leopard dito.
Wala kayong kalabaw.
Dito yata ang leopard to. Dito. Kaya lang, tulog siguro. Andun.
Where is it? Nothing. It's not here.
No, it's not here. Maybe it's sleeping somewhere. Should be here.
Hiding here.
Saan? Nakakulong? Make a donation. Foundation So Leopard. Amor Leopard.
It's sleeping on the roof.
Yeah.
There's two.
It's too big. Finally.
Handle them.
Oh, it's too big.
Oh, see?
Oo.
Wow. This is the real one, yes?
Mag-asawa yata yan.
This is the real African tiger.
Ay, mali. Yeah. The other one's lying down.
I think it's blue. The other one's
Yeah. But it was seated before.
May electric.
Ito naman ang ano to. Ay, yung wolf doll conservation. Yan, oh. Yan ang kanyang taguan. Lungga niya. Pakalawak ng anong to. Forest na. Ah, dito dumadaan yung train, oh. Pataas.
Kaya nagbibigay sila sa conservation.
Dito dumadaan yung train, oh. Yan, oh. Parang nakakatakot, oh.
Para
Sa gitna lang yung release niya.
train.
Yan.
Para
Papasok pa ba tayo dyan? Ayan, naglalakad yung isang ano. Yan. It's coming! Oh my gosh, too big. Too big tiger. Closer. A big cat. It's a big cat. Oh my gosh, too big. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Hey! Taba. Yeah, I know. Tignan nyo guys ang pila, oh. Ah, ang haba. Papunta yan doon sa slide na yan, oh. Haba na. Kanina yung mga apo nung nag-slide sila dyan, wala pang pila. Ngayon, oh, haba na ng pila, oh. Alas 4 na. Dami pang nagdadatingan ng mga tao. Yan, oh. Punong-puno na. Kanina, walang masyado. Yan. Mag-iikot pa kami sa ano, mga ano ng mga hayop. Punta namin yung Africa. Yan ang daanan ng mga nagpipila, guys. Yan. Haba ng pila. Yan. Dito kami kanina nagsakay. Yan. Oh. Yan. Yan kami nagsakay kanina. Yan. Yan. Ito. Haba ng pila, guys. Yan. Oh. Parang may dala silang number 8. Dalawahan, ang iba isahan. Yan. Haba ng hinaakyat nila, oh. Doon pa yun sa taas. Pila na. Ayan yung ano, oh. Yung river, yan. Yan talaga nila. So, ito pa. Ayan. Lang katapusan ang lakad natin. Di pa ba tayo tapos? Ayun, black bear. Sa black bear there. It's a black bear.
Oh my
There.
gosh!
Oh, it's big. Oh, huge. Huge. Come. There. So healthy, so big. Yay. Ooh. Kabatuhan kami dito, guys. Ito. Ang bear.
Ow, that hurts that you did. See the one that came up right here?
Big. It's huge.
You go sit on that now?
Yeah. Ay, shy.
The third time you just do that.
Oh, come on. The other one's not moving either. Come on, get out from there. She's shy. It's very small. Ang liit.